Welcome back. In this video we shall see how to plot a simple sine wave in Matlab. So let's open the new script. First of all, let's define the time axis. In plotting the sine wave signal, we need a time axis. So time axis is defined from 0 up to 10 and the step size is 0.01. So let's define the time period of the sine wave. Time period is equal to 5 seconds. Let's say it's 5 seconds or 5 units. Let's define the frequency of the sine wave. Frequency is equal to 1 divided by time period. Let's define the output signal, which will be a sine wave. So it's defined as amplitude A multiplied with sine 2 pi f t. A into sine 2 pi ft. F is the frequency of the signal, A is the amplitude of the signal, and T is the time axis. So let's define the amplitude. A is equal to 10. So let's plot this sine wave using the plot command. So time axis will be the horizontal axis and y1 will be the vertical axis. So let's save this. Let's rename this as sine. So let's save this and so first of all let's rerun this. So you see the sine wave is plotted and you see its amplitude is its time period is 5. So time period is defined as the time of a signal in which it completes one cycle. So 5 is the time period, frequency will be 1/5 and amplitude of the signal is 10. So let's close this. Let's plot another signal with different frequency and different amplitude. So let's rename this as T1. Let's call this F1. Let's rename this as A1. So the signal will be A1 sine 2 pi F1 T. So let's define another signal with time period is equal to 2. So its frequency will be F2, which will be equal to 1/T2. So let's define the amplitude as 5 units. So the signal y2 will become, let's copy this signal. let's copy this signal and paste it. So we shall only change the parameters, change y1 to y2, a1 to a2, and f1 to f2. So let's plot the first signal using the plot command, and we shall use the hold on command to plot the signal y2 on the same window. So hold on command will plot the second signal on the same window as the first signal. So the two signals will be plotted on the same window. Plot t comma y2. So let's run this program. So you see the amplitude of the signal shown in red color is 5 and the amplitude of signal shown in blue color is 10. Similarly, we shall insert an arrow to see the time period. So time period of the signal shown in red color is 2 units. So time period is defined as the duration in which a signal completes its one cycle. So it started from this point and ends at this point. So this is one complete cycle of the sine wave. So let's insert another arrow at 5. So 5 is the time period of the signal shown in blue color. So it is the time in which it completed its one cycle. So frequency will be the inverse of time period. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to see the notifications. So that's all for today.